Rockford's abandoned Singer Mental Health Center could soon have a date with a wrecking ball. The 100-acre Singer Mental Health Center was closed down in 2012. The facility has been heavily vandalized. Last week, firefighters battled a blaze.
We're here at the Singer Mental Asylum in Rockford, Illinois. We came here about 1.5 years ago and we explored probably 1/3 of it. There's lots more to be explored and it's scheduled to be demoed in a few months. So it's our last opportunity. So security likes to sit outside of this building, so we gotta be extra careful. Let's get it. Yeah, you weren't kidding, this is wide open.
Yeah. Okay. We're in and we're safe.
Let's go this way. Yeah, I don't think we went this way last time.
You guys didn't go this way?
No, last time we went that way.
Okay, so yeah, you guys didn't explore much at all. Because the main room is up to the front there, which I haven't gone to either. There's so many weird noises, like. So there's the downstairs right there, and this over here is the front portion we just saw. So much better during the day. It's on fire, it looks like.
Looks like it. Bro, this is crusty.
It's a big wood furnace. So the vent is right here, when you can get in. Those bags of poop.
Yeah. This is crazy up here.
Yeah, there's a thing down too, so we can check it out.
Oh, you mean in there?
Oh, this one right here. This.
I mean, it just goes out that way. So this is insane in here.
Yeah, I kind of want to go on those boardwalks down there. There's doors right there.
Don't walk on that.
Oh, what the hell? Huh. There's a whole bunch of stuff down there. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff down here, man. Dude, it goes even further. They're open. Whatever we're breathing in can't be good.
Whatever you're breathing. I got my mask.
Dead end. I don't even know what's back there. It's crazy. Oh, wow.
This is a security system.
Security system?
Looks like it's in the wall.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Have we gone over here? We're downstairs now, looks like.
This looks creepy.
Yeah.
So a little bit scary. There's an elevator. I'm not gonna walk around that. Yeah, you can see the shaft go all the way up.
Well, how far down does it go? Just right there. Oh, what the heck? This is sick.
Keeps going over there.
Freezers. Summer of 17.
Always seeing freezers these days.
Oh, just a weird little dead end. Don't let that close behind you. Showers. Keep this door open.
This place is freaking massive.
That's what I'm saying. It's like it's never ending. I feel like there must be something like awesome hidden here somewhere, right? I mean,
Somewhere.
look at that. Is it like a front entrance? Is that a seat with a bench? Huh. I guess we can stick a little bit more downstairs for now. Oh wow.
Hey, dude. People just smash the walls.
But like, how do you not get caught?
It's just creepy in here.
It's like it all just started melting away or something. Jesus. Must have been like offices or something. Alright, what do you want to head to?
Let's go this way. Bro, look at all this. Look at all these wires.
Computers or something, you think, right? Like a big server room?
I don't know, I guess so.
Jesus.
Is that the main entrance?
Yeah, I think so. The official main entrance to the building. Yeah, because there's the check-in. Well, there's the stairs up. Oh my god, it's an elevator.
Oh my god.
Or is this a different elevator? It's a different elevator. It also was on fire too. This whole thing was on fire again. I want to come up.
The hallways just keep going, bro.
I know, yeah, they just curve all the way around.
Look at a whiteboard in here.
This guy wrote his phone number. Doesn't seem very smart. Nothing much in here.
Why?
Somebody was. I'm gonna call this dude. Oh, they changed their number.
Probably because they were getting so many phone calls. We can go back down that way if you want to.
Alright. Oh, it's all pink. Jeez. Huh.
Oh, it's a deer. Look.
Oh my god, dude. I thought it was gonna be like spitting or something. So much of this building left.
I know, bro. Help! That's gonna open up here and fall 3 stories.
Straight down to the ground.
That's what happens when spots get leaked.
Like, did people do this? Or is just like on the bottom of the walls are just gone?
Those people smashed the windows and the elements just ate at it. Yeah, is there a single window that's not smashed?
Whoa. Looks like it goes up higher.
Oh, wow.
It's all up there.
Well, let's find a way to find out. Probably an attic.
Yeah, I just gotta figure out how to get up there. Oh, it's a gym.
Oh, what? You got a freaking gym here?
What is that up there?
That's where they had the hoop at, I bet. Oh yeah, here's a free throw line. Freaking balling in here. Where'd the hoop go?
Does that door stay open?
Nope. Oh, you're locked in.
Dude, if we're locked in, we're so cooked. Somebody definitely used that toilet. Dang it.
Dude, I might make a short of that.
I should start like screaming instead.
There it is.
What? What? That's amazing.
You know, we gotta climb it.
Dude, absolutely.
There's a roof.
This is sick.
You go ahead and do that. I'm not walking up there.
Pretty awesome. Well, I wonder how far this goes in though. I'm gonna try to climb up this next one. Oh, there's another room up there. Why are there so many footsteps up here, dude? Oh, it's down there too. Keep on going.
Just for a little bit.
The big bench.
Bro, people got everywhere.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They like didn't stop at nothing. What does it say? Scotty's seat. It's crazy. We're not even like anywhere near a portion of done with this place.
I know, bro. This is enormous.
Oh my god, that's a lot steeper than I thought.
Oh, dude, the auditorium. They got a theater.
Dude, holy stuff. What's up there? There's railings for a reason. Oh, and the ladder's gone. Somebody took the ladder. Think you can jump up there? Oh, might be sturdy. Gee. What's up there?
Literally nothing.
Seriously?
I mean, you can see above the auditorium, but that's about it.
So you can see me right now? Oh yeah.
Ah. Smack my head on the pipe.
Good luck getting down. Oh. The wall's just peeling away, dude.
Oh, they wrote stuff on the freaking on the seats.
What the heck? Will you see that? We are watching. Goes a ways, man.
These seats are nice.
They look like it.
Did you find that before or no?
No, I didn't. I don't think I've been in this part of the building. It's hard to look at everything. It's all like...
I know.
No way.
What's in there?
I don't know, the door's locked. Nothing, really. Just a nice clean desk.
This GoPro's getting hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, mine is too. It's getting crispy. This one's probably gonna be locked. Oh no.
Well,
Luckily somebody marked where you can get out at and everything. More unbroken windows? Must be getting in a rear hurry here. Where are we? We were here, weren't we?
yeah, we were already right here. We didn't go that way though. Oh, this is where we entered.
Okay, so yeah, we just need to go back the other way.
Yeah.
So we came in that way, we went that way, and we just did a big loop.
I know they got like at least a kitchen over here.
Oh, that's where we were. That's the entrance into that main building. So I'm not sure where this one goes.
Yeah, we came in and went straight that way, remember?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's so overgrown.
I know, dude.
Oh, this is pretty clean.
Oh yeah, I remember this room. Go this way first. Yeah, we took this one down. It said Biden 2020.
Oh.
This is kind of cool being in the same building as before.
Yeah, I know, right?
Trying to find the door where I took the last thumbnail. Oh yeah, this is what I was thinking of right here. They got a little kitchen. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
No shortage of bathrooms though, man.
I know, bro.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
Why is that shirt so white still?
Just untouched. Well, this remained too bad.
No, not really.
Oh wait, we just came from here.
Yeah. Where's the other building at?
I'm not even sure. This place is really confusing. What does this say? Oh, no exit? No exit straight. What is this? Dude, it's like an MRI or an x-ray. Yeah, because there's a thing you stand behind. That's an x-ray machine, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Like, that has to be so expensive. What the hell, bruh? Can you move it like left and right? That's insane.
What's back there?
What? What's back there? I would not expect there to be an x-ray machine here.
We're getting close. It's upstairs? Go this way?
Yeah, that might be the way.
The hole in the roof. I don't think we've been in this stairwell before.
I don't think so. Oh, you're back in the...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there we go back to the entrance.
Yeah, that's
Right
yeah.
there.
It was this way.
This door here.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
You hear voices, so just me.
I didn't hear nothing. Yeah, somebody's yelling over there.
Is there's like the, you think maybe it's the car from that security, the radio from that security car? Like maybe he's sitting up there to the left from the building?
Maybe it's like yelling.
We can make a run for it, or we can...
Yeah, so we jog across. Go for it. Alright, well, it looks like we made it out alive.
Still, I don't know if we saw everything. Place is crazy big.
I don't think it's possible to see everything.
I feel like stay the night there.
Unless we stay the night there.
Next video.
Guess that's it then.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.